all the procedures we have discussed here are all OPD level procedures. None of them have to be IPD. None of them. And that's why I make sure that if something is presented somewhere, it should be doable the very next day. That's how the idea is. In Shara, next. The idea is Dr. Joji Sebastian, I will never forget him. I learned the Shara application over the telephone. So I do not want anybody else to learn it over the telephone. He told about a nurse somewhere in UK who had a scenario of having nasal hypertrophy, totally blocked, not responding to Gunja Lepam and Varnadikasha and Kanchana Gurgulu, the normal methods. And she is ready to face the surgery. So something like 20 to 23, somewhere, this is more than 4 or 5 years ago. And he also was fed up with the normal OPD procedures, everything, Nasya, nothing doing. And some internee who was known to Dr. Rajesh here, this gentleman, somebody he knew, happened to tell about Paravaje sir, Ravi Shankar sir, and they fetched the Shara. He said that he had contacted a lot of doctors in Kerala with polyp, etc., and nobody told him about Shara at that point. And he did that procedure to that lady that did not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. And she found close to 50% ease in the breathing immediately with the next 5 to 10 minutes. And after 5 days, she said to the doctor on reporting, almost imagine the condition, so OPD level procedure. And when I was doing for my first patient, he taught me over the phone, but we have video of the same, and we could avoid surgery for that patient close to 1 year. But after that, I volunteered. My father-in-law funded me from his personal pocket the material for this, because one Shara bottle will cost you something like 2,500 rupees. There's a shortcut also for the same. Of course, others you can make it of your own. And we implemented in the government hospital with the permission, full permission official, everything full officially permitted. And we did, me and Dr. Harish were doing all those documentations and doing on patients, so close to 75 something. Again, you have that printout. When you will get it, you will have that, how many cases done, how many responded, how many did, everything is there. I cut short that, I leave it to you to consider that. And I find with one sentence, if I say about Shara, our method seems to be better, effective, cheaper, longer lasting than what we find, no offense to allopathy, no offense to any ENT surgeon, no offense, than what is found now in the society. Because all those cases, Dr. Harish knows, Dr. JC also knows, all those cases were written off from the allopathy, including rhinosporidiosis. And one patient, out of his excitement, he went to the doctor, the Manorama, publicity, and I said, what publicity? I mean, we will keep doing what we want to do. Because he was done surgery 6 times, and he did not get the result that he got with Shara. And if I say about Shara, maybe I skip the video. Next. Anybody who knows to brush the teeth can do Shara. That is the qualification. Anybody who can apply paste into the nose. If anybody can make a ball of a chewing gum and put it in the nose of somebody else, and take a toothpaste and apply on that ball of chewing gum with precision for almost 1 minute, maybe 35 seconds is enough, but even 1 or maximum 2 minutes, which is not needed actually, without touching that paste on any part of the nose except that chewing gum roll inside the nose, can easily do Shara. It is as simple as that. You don't have to be a Shara PG. As they again say, I am not comparing PGs. Don't have to be Shara PG. The effect is enormous. And tons of Varanadi can be avoided. And why I use this gentleman, he is a AMI, active AMI secretary in Wayanad, Mohammad Rafi. Why I am always very keen to go for such interactions. Wherever I go, invited as a faculty. But what happens is I come back as a student. And that is why I am always excited to go anywhere for a class. Because the audience teaches us so much, somehow. That's how it is so interesting that we always learn. And he taught me What if any one of you has a case of hypertrophy tomorrow and you want to do it? You can't.